Good morning, guys. Coming to you not live, coming to you from cold and snowy Nashville, Tennessee. It's Saturday morning. It's about 7:30. I don't have to go to work today, which I'm lucky for, but there's a lot of snow still on the ground. And I told Reshiel I would take her to work today because she doesn't want to drive on this icy roads. She's supposed to be at work at 8. She's still asleep. So I don't know, maybe she didn't have to work after all, but I'm going to start the car and get it warm. And then I'll go see if she's going to wake up and go to work or if she's just going to sleep. I don't know. But yeah, this is probably like 3 inches of snow. Like our driveway is like a little slanted hill. So the black car that I gave her is at the top of the hill. She never moved it down, so it's kind of stuck there, and I don't have a snow shovel. So but it stopped snowing last night around 9, and I drove home in it. It was okay. I'm used to driving in snow though, so. But I didn't drive up the driveway, I just parked on the side of the road. But it kind of froze overnight where it was sloshing and melting, so now the roads are kind of icy. Yeah, they're really icy. You can hear the crunch, so it's not. Whew. Let me get in and start this bad boy up. Max heat. Let me turn the music down so I don't get a copyright trademark on my video. Okay. So, I left my gloves in the house, so I'm just going to let the window defroster defrost that ice off of there. But she's not even awake yet, so I don't know. Maybe she's not working today. But she didn't text me or anything. I don't know. You know, we sleep in separate rooms, guys. We have, I don't go in her room. I gave her the big bedroom. I take a little room. And sometimes the boys will climb into bed with her because they stay up all night. I go to bed because I have to work early in the morning, and I have to have sleep because I can't just go to work for 10 hours and be yawning and sleepy all day. So yeah, it is cold out here. Goodness gracious, I can't even see out the window because that's where it was. Right now it shows 28 degrees outside, so 32 degrees is freezing, obviously. So last night, it was probably like 34 degrees when the snow stopped coming down. So that's 2 degrees above freezing. So it was kind of, I mean, the snow's still stuck and everything, but when it hit the roads, it was a little bit melting, but not very fast. But then overnight, when it dropped below freezing, all the moisture on the car just froze, so it's like a sheet of ice. But anyways, I'm gonna go in and knock on her door and see if she's planning on getting up and going to work today. Ooh, yeah, so this is our hill. So you can see it's like 1 finger deep. Yeah, it's icy underneath the snow, so driving down this would be sliding down the driveway in the car. I wonder how come birds don't get cold. Maybe they do get cold, I don't know. I would not want to be a bird flying around in the cold air like this. But it was kind of melty here, so this is kind of icy. So yeah, when you walk outside, if you have got if it looks wet, it's probably ice. I don't want to track snow in the house because then it melts and it turns into a puddle, and then the kids go running around and step in it and slip. Door, she's didn't wake up, so she has to be at work in 27 minutes. So I've got the car warming up, so she's jumping in the bathroom to get ready. And we'll take Waylon with us, but Wesley and William are sleeping. Her job is only like 7 or 8 minutes away. So as long as there's no accidents, I'll just run there and be right back before they wake up. Hey guys, so I woke up the bulldozer. Wesley's still sleeping, so William's gonna stay down here awake in case Wesley wakes up while I'm driving Reshiel to work. And we're gonna take Waylon. I'll take Waylon in the car because I don't want to leave him here alone. But Wesley will probably sleep till 9 or 10, and then he'll just want to come downstairs and watch TV. And William knows how to message me if something happens, but I'll be literally back in 15 minutes. So you got this, bro? Okay, Knuckles. He's not quite awake. I don't know what time he went to sleep last night. Will you stay up late? How late? 3 a.m. This kid stayed awake until 3 a.m. So he's only been asleep. He's only been asleep for 4 hours until I woke him up just now. How's that feel? Yeah, he's still sleepy. Okay, so whenever she gets down and we go, I might run into Publix after I drop her off because I went Friday when I got home from the airport and everybody was panic buying. There was no milk, no eggs, no water. They were, people buy up all that stuff when a storm's coming. So there's not enough milk for the kids. So I need to grab milk at least. I got popsicles because that's important. Yeah. Yeah, he's still awake. He tried to fall asleep on me, but Daddy wouldn't allow it. That's what he gets for staying up till 3 a.m. I never stayed up till 3 a.m. until I was like 19 or 18 years old, dude. Look at that smile. He thinks he's slick. You think you're slick? Did you play Fortnite all night or watch videos? He watched videos. Okay guys, we're one step closer to her getting to work. It's about 7:45. I told her we have to leave early because... Huh? Then have him come down and watch TV. Because the roads are ice. It's a sheet of ice we're driving on, so we have to be slow and careful. And we're taking this little monkey with us. I don't like putting him in the car when we're driving on ice, but we're not getting on a highway or anything. So, we're gonna watch just in case she slips and falls down the hill. Hi, little monkey boy.
Baby.
What baby? Let's see if mommy slips. Think she's gonna fall? Oh, she made it. Okay guys, we're on the way back to the house because Reshiel forgot her glasses. I thought she already, normally when she leaves the house, she comes back one time to get something, so I don't even lock the door anymore. And I saw her go back up to the house to get something, so I assumed she got whatever she normally would forget. But she forgot her glasses. Now we're going back to the house so she can get her glasses. But the roads there's some clear spots like right here, but then there's other, oh my God, it's hot in here with the heater on. There's other spots where it's icy and frozen.
Snow 2025.
Keep the camera rolling, guys, in case she slips on the hill running up, and then we'll capture it. Here she goes, there she goes, not running super safe. Running's not her specialty anyway. And she got up the hill okay. Coming down, it's a 50-50 chance she's gonna bust it right there. So I'm not saying I'm rooting for it, but I'm just saying if it happens, we'll capture it on video and let you guys see it. I know some of you in the Philippines have never seen snow in person, so. Are you okay back there, little booby? Hi, booby. Waylon's just being so nice. Here she comes, guys. Okay. Dun 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 dun. You shouldn't run down a hill. Don't run down the hill. I'm trying to tell her don't run down the hill. Do 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 Whoop-de-doo, she made it. Oh my God. All right, guys, there's always next time for America's Funniest Bloopers, but that time she did not fall. So, but they're still coming home because the snow will still be here. You guys hear the crunch? That's the ice I'm driving over. And the tires will spin if you give it too much gas. So everything is controlled when you're driving on snow. Slowly put the gas when you're on ice and snow. Because if you spin the wheels, because you push the gas too hard, your wheels will just spin on that ice. Same thing when you're trying to stop the car. Your brakes are your enemy. So you have to slowly push the brakes in just a little bit to slow the rotation of the wheels, not to stop the tires, because they'll just slide across the ice. It's called inertia. It's your momentum. A moving object cannot stop immediately. The energy that's driving that motion will keep on going until that energy is done. So the brakes act as a energy detractor. Milk and then go back home before Wesley wakes up. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, we're almost home. Not too bad. The little monkey in the back seat keeps pushing his little feet into my back of my chair. It's giving me the woolly woolies. Hey, what you doing? Hey, what you doing? No. My little monkey baby. My little baby monkey. My little way poopy pants. Woo! So I don't think we're supposed to get any more snow from this storm. So we just have to wait for the temperature to go up a little bit so this all melts and soaks into the ground, and then there's no more ice and snow. But it's still early January, so winter just started. But they tell me Tennessee usually just gets one snowfall a year, like on average. Some years they don't even get any snow. So maybe this was the snowfall of the year, and we won't see any more until next winter, which I'd be okay with. All right, guys. So while she's at work, I'm getting the snow off the car, the windows, all that good stuff. Even though we're not really friends anymore, I still don't want her to get into a wreck or an accident or get hurt or anything like that. So we'll clear the car off. I don't think it's going to snow anymore. And then once the driveways start to come out a little bit, or else I'll just drive the car down the hill myself and park it so it's safe. But when you get this much snow, you know, there's an ice scraper, but just use a broom. Brush that snow off the top, because when you start driving, all that snow is going to push down and block your window or go down the backside.
One eternity later.
Sir? Excuse me, sir, what's that on your mouth? Is that a mustache? Let me see your lip. What in the world? Is that from your smoothie?
So good.
Is that from? Go eat the strawberry one that your brother didn't want to eat. Here, let me wipe that off your mouth. You look like you have a mustache. A Paul mustachio. The yogurt. Yes. You gotta practice drinking so you don't get it all over your lip like that. Because you're just, yeah. What if it goes in your nose? You're gonna have smoothie nose.
That happened to me before.
That happened to you? That happened to me. Did that ever happen to you? No.